Axie limitlessness especially shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in a sort of beautiful, significant manner. The cost of Axie boundlessness essentially has fallen by 0.42% in the past 24 hours in an unpretentious way and in an every practical sense significant way. As far as Axie support floor, it explicitly generally is presently $10.21, really in opposition to mainstream thinking, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie fundamentally has its especially kind of next obstruction at $11.87, which basically is genuinely critical, which sort of is genuinely huge. The 18th of June 2023. In this video we will generally explicitly walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for decently kind of the following week, and especially sincerely attempt to answer these regularly, especially truly clarified something. What for the most part especially is reasonably genuinely momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness, for the most part by and large is Axie a genuinely wise interest in a significant manner, or so they certainly thought. Axie boundlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they explicitly thought in a huge manner. In any case, prior to plunging certainly profound into the Axie specialized examination, especially let us generally discuss the in every practical sense truly current economic situations, so Axie boundlessness support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner, or so they basically thought. Market investigation over the in every practical sense last 24 hours, there generally truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,071,510,173,848, or so they in a real sense thought, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. The very in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $19,008,310,440, or so they certainly thought, which by and large is very huge. Bitcoin shares 48.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which certainly is genuinely huge, which generally truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,551.35 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which generally really is very huge, or so they basically thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner in an especially significant way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.51, following a value change of 0.23% inside a similar time span, which entirely is very critical, which in a real sense is very huge. XRP, the kind of in every practical sense, local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 1.33 and presently exchanging at 49 cents in a decently truly significant manner, which certainly is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a quite significant way in a very significant manner. These occasions by and large generally show that the market especially truly is going in a very beautiful descending bearing for kind of present moment, exhibiting how which in every practical sense basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,551.35 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, which fundamentally especially is very huge, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value lessening of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, a genuinely broad, certainly exceptionally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally for the most part is very critical in a kind of large manner. Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So the 18th of June 2023. In this video we will generally sort of walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for genuinely sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time especially truly got clarification on pressing issues. What for the most part essentially is genuinely transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, for the most part in every way that really matters, is Axie an especially wise interest in a significant manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers sort of become a lot of essentially more reasonably in every practical sense dynamic and for the most part truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further, or so they fundamentally thought. Similarly, obstruction fundamentally truly is a level at which dealers for the most part become move certainly really dynamic and most certainly truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, which explicitly is very critical. Following basically by and large are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie boundlessness execution, the truly beautiful day-to-day diagram of Axie vastness in a real sense in every way that really matters, shows that the Axe cost explicitly has an in every practical sense descending development with a 0.42% lessening in kind of beyond 24 hours, showing how as far as Axe support floor, it explicitly generally is presently $10.21, entirely in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. The value worth of the Axie boundlessness coin sort of basically is remaining at $4.94 with market capitalization $579,236,787 US in a decently in every practical sense large way. Further appearance how Axie vastness especially generally shows negative energy throughout the end of the week in a sort of in every way that really matters, significant way. Or so they truly thought. Axe cost changes 0.66% throughout the week while the exchanging volume by and large is drifting around $24,926,528 USD in an unpretentious manner. Axie endlessness value investigation Axe cost examination for the 18th of June 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span entirely made sense of beneath, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. We use in every practical sense, extremely relative strength index, moving all things considered, truly normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving especially genuinely normal and dramatic moving actually quite normal to really fundamentally dissect the future development of the Axie boundlessness, exhibiting that various elective digital forms of money, as ETHEREUM explicitly by and large has seen a value reduction of 0.16% coming to $1,736.12 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. The Axie vastness truly has especially by and large break all its in every practical sense, especially upholds levels and things fundamentally explicitly are not looking most certainly genuinely really great for the crypto market, which explicitly is genuinely huge, which all things considered is very critical. Right now, especially really bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively especially explicitly take Axe cost beneath the critical help level of $10.21, which in every practical sense is very huge. The MACD line in a real sense really is remaining underneath of the decently extremely signal line after a hybrid. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the essentially kind of everyday outline in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way fundamentally. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and fundamentally basically is attempting to especially basically break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, which actually really is very critical, which certainly is very huge. While Axe's Williams % R pointer sort of by and large is at 61.6